Hello everyone. Today we study the new topic of polynomial, which is standard form of quadratic equation. So first we study what is an equation. Definition of equation is any algebraic expression which have equal sign is known as equation. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is made by variable and constant. Suppose any algebraic expression is x plus 2. This is any algebraic expression. This is only expression, algebraic expression. If we write equal to 4, then this algebraic expression change into equation. It means the algebraic expression which have equal sign is known as equation. तो कोई भी algebraic expression है उसमें equal sign है, it means वो एक equation का form है. Now this is standard form of quadratic equation. In last class we see the standard form of quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form of quadratic polynomial? Fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. If fx is equal to 0, if fx is equal to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is known as standard form of quadratic equation. So, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equation, where first condition is a is not equal to 0. ABC are real number and a is not equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A की वैल्यू 0 के इक्वल नहीं हो सकती किसी भी कंडीशन में. B 0 हो सकता है, C भी 0 हो सकता है, but A is not equal to 0. It means the polynomial which have degrees 2 is known as quadratic equation, but in this case a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then the degree of equation, we can say that polynomial is changed into 1, and degree of 2 is known as quadratic. It means a किसी भी कंडीशन में 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. So standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a, b, c are real number and a is not equal to 0. Now solutions of quadratic equation. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के अपन सॉल्यूशन कैसे करेंगे, इसके अपने पास जो फर्स्ट मेथड है वो है सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. फर्स्ट मेथड इज नोन एज फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. कोई भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है उसके कितने सॉल्यूशंस होंगे आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम है. 2 सॉल्यूशंस होंगे बिकॉज़ डिग्री ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज 2. मींस 2 जीरोस होंगे, 2 सॉल्यूशंस होंगे उसके. तो इसमें जो फर्स्ट मेथड है दैट इज नोन एज फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. Suppose any quadratic equation is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is any quadratic equation. This is equation because this has equal sign, and this is quadratic because degree is 2. So we want to find out solutions. We can also say that roots. We can also say that zeros. We want to find out solutions of this quadratic equation by factorization method. So for factorization method, first we find out product of first and third term. So here p is equal to minus 10x square and sum. P for product, S for sum is the middle term, minus 3x. It means we divide minus 10 minus 3x into two parts. Minus 3x into two parts, which sum is minus 3x and product is minus 10x square. So coefficient of product is minus 10x square and coefficient of product is minus 10. It means we see that 10. So we write here x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Because sum of minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x and multiplication of minus 5x and 2x is minus 10x square. So first two terms common, x minus 5, first next two terms common 2. Again x minus 5 is equal to 0. There implies x minus 5 is again common. Remain is x plus 2. That is x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. There implies x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2 are solutions, are roots and are zeros of this equation. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2 are the solutions of this equation. So this is known as factorization method. तो factorization method में अपन क्या करेंगे कि मिडिल टर्म है उसके बाद फैक्टर करेंगे, उसको टू टर्म्स में डिवाइड करेंगे, टू टर्म्स में राइट करेंगे as product is minus 10x square and sum is minus 3x. तो मिडिल टर्म जो भी minus 3x है यहाँ पे इसको अपन ने ब्रेक किया टू टर्म्स में, ऐसे करेंगे कि इन दोनों टर्म्स का जो सम है वो तो क्या आना चाहिए minus 3x आना चाहिए और इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करें अपन, दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें तो अपने पास क्या आना चाहिए minus 10x square आना चाहिए. क्लियर? ओके. Now we start exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 first question is check whether the following equations are quadratic. कुछ equations given हो तो अपने को check करना है कि quadratic है या नहीं है. So question number first x multiply x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 multiply x minus 2. First we simplify this equation, then comparing by standard form. पहले अपन इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे, उसके बाद में अपनी स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से कंपैरिजन करेंगे. If coefficient of a, coefficient of is x square, it means degree is 2. Then that is quadratic equation, otherwise no. So first is simplification, x square plus x plus 8 is equal to a plus b into a minus b, that is x square minus 4. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So x square cancelled by x square. Left hand side to right hand side दोनों में अंदर सेम टर्म है बिल्कुल, x स्क्वायर दोनों का साइन भी सेम, इट मींस कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. रिमेन इज x plus 8 and plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Because this equation have degrees 1, but the standard equation of quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation have degrees 2. It means this is not quadratic equation. So our answer is no. This is not quadratic equation because this have degree is 1. और अपन इसे कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो भी इसके अंदर अपने पास x स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट, this equation not have coefficient of x square. this is not quadratic equation. Now second part. Second part is x plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube minus 4. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. We know that because a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is algebraic identities. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b we use here. That is here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. So a cube it means x cube plus b cube it means 2 cube. 2 cube plus 3ab, 3 multiply x multiply 2. 3ab multiply a plus b it means x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. Again x cube cancelled by x cube. Left hand side and right hand side both have equal terms. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 to the 6 x multiply x, that is 6x square plus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 x is equal to minus 4, that is 6x square plus 12x and plus 12 is equal to 0. By comparing this by standard form of quadratic equation, it means coefficient of x square, it means a is equal to 6. It means degree of this equation is 2. So this is quadratic equation. So our answer is yes. Then part third. Part third is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. That is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, here again we use identity of a minus b whole square, that is a square x square minus 4x plus 4. Here again x square cancelled by x square, that is 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 3 because degree of this equation is 1. So again it is not quadratic equation. And now last fourth part, x plus 1 upon x plus x square is equal to 2, where x is not equal to 0. We write here 1 and 1 by taking LCM x 1 is x, so x square plus 1 plus x3 by taking LCM x square plus 1 plus x cube is equal to 0 by cross multiply x square plus 1 plus x cube is equal to 0, that is x cube plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. The degree of this equation is 3 because highest power of variable is 3. Degree of 3, it means this is not quadratic equation. This is not quadratic equation. So question number first is completed. Next question number 2. Solve the following equations by factorization method. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में अपन ने चेक किया था कि कौन सी इक्वेशन क्वाड्रेटिक है और कौन सी नहीं. इसमें अपन ने देखा था सॉल्व करने के बाद में कि जो भी इक्वेशन डिग्री 2 है, जिस भी इक्वेशन में डिग्री 2 आ रही है वो क्वाड्रेटिक है, अदरवाइज नो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. पार्ट फर्स्ट, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here again sum is minus 5x and product is the multiplication of first and third term. So 3 to the x square. Okay, coefficient of product It means coefficient of x square is 6. So we see that 6 have which table? 2 3 are 6. 2 and 3. And 2 3 are plus, so 2 and 3 is minus 5. But these have negative sign. So we take both negative. So 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Sum of 2x and minus 3x is minus 5x and product of 2x and 3x is 6x square. By taking first two terms, common is 2x, remain is x minus 1. Again x two terms common, minus 3 is common, remain is x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is again x minus 1 is common, so x minus 1 multiplied 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we get x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. And here 2x is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 3 by 2. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the solutions of given equation, given quadratic equation. We can also say that x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of given equation. So we use this method. Similarly, part second, 9x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again here sum is minus 3x and product is the multiplication of first and third. So 9 to the 18 minus 18x square. Product is the minus 18x square. Again we see that coefficient of x square is minus 18. It means minus 18 have table 3 and 6. So 6 3 are otherwise 3 6 18 and we have sum is minus 3x. Sum is minus 3x. So 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 6x plus 3x is sum minus 3x and product is minus 18x square. First two terms what is common? 3x is common. Remain x minus 2. Sorry, 3x minus 2. 9x square minus 6x. 3x is common. Remain is 3x minus 2. What is common? 1 is common. Remain 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is again 3x minus 2 is common. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is if 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, that is 3x is equal to 2 and that is x is equal to 2 upon 3 or x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3 are the solutions of given quadratic equation. We can also say that these are the roots of this equation. Clear? Next. Similarly, part third, root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Here again, sum is the 10x and product. Product is the multiplication of first and third term. Now product is 21x square and sum is 10x. So we write square root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 7x is 10x. Sum is 10x and product is 21x square. So first two terms we can root 3x is common. Then remain is x plus root 3. Again in next two terms we can take 7 common. Then x plus root 3 is equal to 0. again what is common? X plus root 3 is common. Remain is root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then implies x plus root 3 is equal to 0 and root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus root 3. X is equal to minus root 3 or x is equal to minus 7 upon root 3. So solutions of given equations are x is equal to minus root 3 and x is equal to minus 7 upon root 3. These are the solutions of given quadratic equation. Clear? Next. Part 4 is x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. This is very simple. You can easily solve. Okay. So next, part 5th. 1 upon x minus 2 plus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 6 upon x. Where x is not equal to 1 upon 2. What is the means of this? X is not equal to 1 upon 2. It means x की value 1 upon 1 and 2 नहीं हो सकती. क्यों नहीं हो सकती? If we write here x is equal to 10, then this change into 0. And 1 upon 0 is infinity. Similarly, this if you write x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 upon 0 is infinity. So here x is not equal to 1 and 2. By taking LCM, x minus 2 multiply x minus 1 is LCM. That is x minus 2 cancelled by x minus 2 remain x minus 1. It means x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 6 upon x. That is x minus 1 x minus 1 plus simplify this 2x minus 4. It means x plus 2x 3x minus 1 and minus 4, that is minus 5 upon x minus 2 multiply x minus 1 is x square minus 2x and minus x minus 3x and plus 2 is equal to 6 upon x. By cross multiply 3x minus 5 multiply x and 6 multiply this. So 6 multiply x square, that is 6x square minus 6 3 is 18x plus 6 to the 12 is equal to 3x square minus 5x. 3x square minus 5x. That is 6x square minus 3x square is equal to 3x square minus 18x and plus 5x minus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0. So 4 by simplification, first we change into quadratic equation. Again here we see that sum is minus 13x and b product is 36x square. 12 3 36x square. So we write 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 9x minus 4 minus 13x and multiplication of 36x square. First two terms common is 3x, remain is x minus 3. Minus 4 is common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x minus 3 again common, 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4 by 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to 3. 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to 4 by 3. So these are the solutions of quadratic equation. Now seventh part. Sorry, sixth part is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again here this is very simple quadratic equation, so you can easily solve. Now part 7. 3x square minus 2 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here sum is minus 2 root 6x. Sum is minus 2 root 6x and product is 6x square. Product is 6x square. So we can write 3x square minus root minus sum is minus 2 root 6x. So minus root 6x minus root 6x. Sum of these minus 2 root 6 and product of 6x square and plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies we can write root 6 equal to root 2 multiply root 3. Root 6 is equal to root 2 multiply root 3. So here common is root 3 is common. What is common? Root 3 is common. So by taking root 3x, here remain is root 3x and minus root 2. Again minus root 2 is common. Minus root 2 is common, remain root 3 plus root. So root 3x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So minus we take here minus root 2, that is root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 because 2 is equal to root 2 multiply root 2. 2 को अपन ब्रेक कर सकते हैं root 2 multiply root 2. That is again what is common? Root 3x minus root 2 common, remain root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. That is root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. For here x is equal to root 2 upon root 3 and similarly this x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. So solutions of quadratic equations are x is equal to square root 2 upon 3 and x is equal to square root 2 upon 3. Both solutions are same. So we use this method. Here sum is minus 2 root 6x and product is 6x square. Root 6 is equal to root 2 multiply root 3. We can write and 2 is equal to root 2 multiply root 3. So we divide 2 root 6 into 2 parts, minus root 6x and minus root 6x. Then first two terms common root 3x and next two term common is minus root 2. Again root 3x minus root 2 is common, root 3x minus root 2 remain. Then root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 and similarly root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. It means here both solutions are same. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation. Clear? Next, 8th part. X square plus 8x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is again very simple quadratic equation, so you can easily solve. Next, 9th part. X plus 3 upon x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 7 upon 2x minus 3. For simplification, first we cross multiply. So for cross multiply, x plus 3 multiply 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2 multiply 3x minus 7. That is x plus 3 into 2x minus 3, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 6x minus 9. First we multiply x by 2x minus 3. So 2x square minus 3x, then by 3 6x minus 9. Similarly this 3x square minus 7x plus 6x minus 14. That is 2x square minus 3x square. It means x square. ये जो कंप्लीट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इसको अपन राइट हैंड साइड में लेके जा रहे हैं और सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर रहे हैं. सो 3x square minus 2x square, that is x square Then okay, first we solve only left hand side. 2x square minus 3x plus 6x, that is plus 3x minus 9 is equal to 3x square minus 7x plus 6x, that is minus x minus 14. Okay, 2x square minus 3x square minus 2x square, that is x square, then minus x and minus 3x minus 4x, then minus 14 and plus 9, minus 14 plus 9, that is minus 5 is equal to 0. So by simplification, first we change into quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation, so we can easily factorization. X square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. There implies x square. We want to sum here. Sum is minus 4x and product is minus 5x square. Sum is minus 4x. So x square minus 5x plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Sum of minus 5x plus x is minus 4x and product is minus 5x square. First two term x is common, x minus 5. Next two terms 1 is common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is x minus 5 multiply x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 1 are the roots of given equation. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 1 are the solutions of this equation. Clear? Now next part 10th. Part 10th is very important part. Here sum is minus 4a square x and product is 4a power 4 minus b power 4 multiply x square. It means product is 4x square a power 4 minus b power 4. So we change in minus 4ax square minus 4a square x into two terms. ये जो सम है इसको अपन टू टर्म्स में ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. ऐसे ब्रेक करेंगे कि सम माइनस 4a स्क्वायर x आना चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट 4 into a power 4 minus b power 4x square आना चाहिए. ओके, so 4a square x is equal to, we know that a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square multiply by a square minus b square. A power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a square minus b square we can write. We use here this. So 2 into a square plus b square minus plus 2 into a square minus b square we can write 4a square x is equal to 2 into a square plus b square plus 2 into a square minus b square. If you simplify this, 2a square plus 2b square plus 2a square minus 2b square, it means 2a square plus 2a square 4a square and this multiplied by x, and 2b square minus 2b square are cancelled. It means we can break 4a square x into the sum of both. Okay, so we can write here 4x square minus twice of a square plus b square plus 2a square minus b square multiply x plus a power 4 minus b power 4. A power 4 minus b power 4 we can write a square. Okay, first we write a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4a square x. 4a square x is equal to this. That is 4x square minus 2 into a square plus b square multiply x minus 2 into a square minus b square multiply x minus 2a square plus b square multiply x minus 2a square minus b square into x plus a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to, we can write a square plus b square multiply a square minus b square is equal to 0. Again, what is the common of first two terms? फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स में आप देखो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स में 2 कॉमन ले सकते हो, आप x भी कॉमन ले सकते हो. इट मींस we can take common 2x. Here remain 2x minus 2x is common, remain is a square plus b square. Again next two terms we can take common a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is common, then remain 2x and minus of a square minus b square. So a square plus b square, because a square minus b square we take common. So remain is a square plus b square is equal to 0. Again, what is common? 2x minus a square plus b square. 2x minus of a square plus b square is common. What is remain? 2x minus of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to 0. That is 2x minus of a square plus b square is equal to 0. Or 2x minus of a square minus b square is equal to 0. For by simplification, this value of x is equal to a square plus b square upon 2. 2x is equal to a square plus b square, then x is equal to a square plus b square upon 2, and x is equal to a square minus b square upon 2. So these are the solution of this quadratic equation. This is very important quadratic equation. So here sum minus 4a square x and product 4 multiply a power 4 minus b power 4 into x square. So we change 4a square x, we break 4a square x into sum of two terms, that is 2 into a square plus b square plus 2 into a square minus b square, and x is same. So we write here minus 4a square x, sum of two terms, 2 into a square plus b square plus 2 into a square minus b square into x. Okay, then first two terms common 2x and next two terms common is a square minus b square. Remaining is 2x minus a square plus b square common, and again 2x remain minus of a square minus b square is equal to 0. If 2x minus a square plus b square is equal to 0, then x is equal to a square plus b square upon 2, and 2x minus a square minus b square is equal to 0, then x is equal to a square minus b square upon 2. So these are the solutions of given quadratic equation. We can also say that these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. Now last part, 9th. a bx square plus b square minus ac into x minus bc is equal to 0. Here we can write sum. Sum is b square minus ac. Okay. First we simplify. So we can write here a bx square plus b square x plus b square x and minus acx minus bc is equal to 0. By simplification we get ab square plus b square x minus acx minus bc is equal to 0. Then we place first two terms common, x and b. So bx is common, remain is ax plus b. bx is common, remain is ax plus b, and last two terms common is c. So remaining is ax plus b is equal to 0. That is again ax plus b is common, and remaining is bx minus c is equal to 0. That is ax plus b is equal to 0 or bx minus c is equal to 0. If ax plus b is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b upon a, and if bx minus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to c upon b. So x is equal to minus b upon a and x is equal to c upon b are the solutions of this quadratic equation. So for simplify this, first we simplify b square minus ac into x. So we get b square x minus ac x minus bc is equal to 0. Then we see that these have four terms, so be common. First two terms bx is common and last two terms common is minus c. So again ax plus b is common. Ax plus b is common, remain bx minus c equal to 0. So ax plus b is equal to 0 and bx minus c is equal to 0. If x plus b is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b upon a, and for this x is equal to c upon b. So this is the last part of same equation and also last part of this exercise. So these are the method we use find out solutions of quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay, thanks.